Hey guys, welcome to Happy Coding for Everyone channel. What will you learn from this video? Sizing and border, W auto, H auto, border and more. Let's start coding. I have already created our project file as you see guys. Let me create a div with 25% and let's assign Bootstrap class W25 and let's put some padding P3 and let's assign a background color BG success. Let's save it and have a look at it. We see our div on our browser. Let's add rest of them. I want to copy and paste 4 times more. And let's change that values 50, 75 and 100. And I want to add that one auto. Let's change that values to let's save it and have a look at it. You see guys, we use sort of design in our project showing some graphics. Let's have a look at height 1. Let me put a HR. I want to add a div first. And let me assign some style for that div. Height 100 pixels and background color gray. Let's create our first height div. Height 25% and let me assign class name and some style to class H25 D inline block, it means display inline block, and style with 100 pixels. And I want to add a background color. I can add here BG warning. Let's save it and have a look at it. You see guys, we see our first 25% height. Let me copy and paste a couple of more to see the rest of them. Let's make it that one 50, 75, 100, auto. Let's change those are as well. Hundred, 75, 50. Let's save it and have a look at it. You see guys, you can use height options like this. Lastly, I want to talk about viewport options. Let me create a HR and let's create a div minimum width 100 VW and I want to assign a class name minimum width 100 and let me copy that one and paste here and I want to make it that one VH, it means full screen. We talked about those values in our CSS HTML tutorial series. If you want, you may consider to have a look at them guys. Let's assign background color as well. BG info and BG warning. Let's save it and have a look at it. You see guys, it's cover all with and it's cover our screen. Regardless size of your screen, it's cover all your screen. Let's have a look at the rest of them. Let's put another HR div VW 100 with 100 VW. Let me copy that one and paste here, and that one is VH and that one is height. Let me assign background color as well. BG danger, BG success. Let's save it and have a look at it. You see guys, you can use those options in your project to cover all your screen, such as background or some other things. That's all for now. Thank you so much for watching it. See you in the next video.